Hey guys, it's Brian from Zona Camp and Hike, and today I got a new product that I'm going to unbox and check out for you. This was actually sent to me from the company Wealpe, and Wealpe has a jaw flex clamp that you can use for your GoPro. So let's open it up. Comes with a few different pieces. It comes with a nice instruction guide. So we've got the instructions on how to use the clamp, if you don't know how to do that already. We've got a nice little GoPro mount here, and we have the clamp itself and the little bendy thing. So here we have the flex portion of the clamp so that you can flex it however you need to. So it goes any which way. It's definitely, feels nice and stiff. It'll definitely hold a GoPro up there. No worries about that. Alrighty. And then we've got the clamp, which has got quite a bit of force in it. And so all you gotta do here is, I'm assuming, boom, and it's in place. And now you can clamp it. Pretty simple product, pretty easy. And let's go get the GoPro and put the GoPro on it. I've got my GoPro here, and let's just get it attached. I'm actually just gonna use the attachment ports that came with it. They give you like a little quick mount and then the attachment screw. Let's go for it. Boom, there you have it in there. So you can actually walk this around. You can actually use this if you need it as a selfie stick. It fits the GoPro really nicely there. See that? If you have a selfie stick that doesn't have a tripod or any type of attachment, then you're not gonna really be able to do a whole lot of setting it down and recording something if you want to. It's more difficult to vlog. And so if you've got something, like if you're on a balcony or something like that, if you wanna mount it somewhere, you can just mount it right here on the shelf. Boom. Hey, you know, if you wanna do a little bit of vlogging, talking to the camera, you can do it there. You can put it in all sorts of different situations, and let's just go find some stuff and see if it sticks. You know, so it seems to work pretty well. This is a nice tool that we can use and have in our arsenal when you do a lot of GoProing. You're on the go, you want to find something that you can use. Sometimes you want to have a tripod, sometimes you want to have a clamp, sometimes you want to have something that you just hold on to and you can vlog with. So there's a lot of different options out there, and this is actually pretty inexpensive. This is a pretty good value for what you get out of it. It seems like it's made pretty sturdily, and I'm not really disappointed with the overall quality. This clamp could actually be used for a lot of different things, in my opinion. I would like to thank Wealpe for sending this to me, and so this is kind of a sponsored video. I'll put a link below, and I'm gonna use it. If I don't think things are good quality, I'll send them back to the manufacturer and I won't even make a video. So this is how you can tell that I am happy with the product. I will definitely keep this particular mount in my bag with me, so if the situation presents itself, I can use this clamp for any type of video that I'm making. Just a quick note, this clamp works with all GoPro quick release mounting systems. And so that's really nice. So no matter what GoPro you have, if you have it attached to the quick release mount, then it'll be compatible with any model that of GoPro that you use that uses these mounts. So it's gonna be universal for most current GoPro models. This will allow you to clamp your GoPro to anything that's 0.6 to 5 centimeters. So that's, you know, that's a good amount. So the head, you can take a look and see how wide these jaws flex here. And so, yeah, guys, I definitely recommend trying out this product. It's inexpensive, and it seems like it's pretty good quality for what you pay for it. If you want to see more gear reviews and more videos of just being out in nature, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.